Today I am going to explain on spice drink. This is the most important spices which are being used for preparing spice drink, which can be called as a kada in Hindi and in Kannada kashaya. And these ingredients I have taken in my diet book in 2016 itself, when in 2020 after COVID, when Ministry of Ayush issued the guidelines for consuming these things for enhancing the immunity, I am really happy and surprised. So these ingredients kada, that's the pepper, clove, cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, jaggery. And you can't imagine once you prepare is also very simple. You pound it, and you boil it for say 5 to 10 minutes, and you sip it like a tea or coffee, and it will enhance the immunity like anything. And for detailed ingredients and all, you can download this in a PDF format through the description.